In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your theme and activate dark mode in Outlook. Outlook has a couple of different interfaces, so I'll walk you through both. The classic Outlook desktop app and the new Outlook or Outlook on the web. Follow the path that matches what you are using. Let's start with the classic Outlook desktop app. Open Outlook. Then head to the top left corner and click File. This takes you to the Backstage area where Global Settings live. Next, select either Options or Office account, depending on your version. Both routes lead to the theme setting and you are looking for the section labeled Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. In that section, find the Office theme dropdown. This controls the look and feel not just of Outlook, but often other Office apps on your computer as well. Choose Black if you want full dark mode across the interface, which gives you the deepest contrast and is easiest on the eyes in low-light environments. If you prefer something a bit softer, select dark gray for a toned-down, professional look, without going fully black. Once you've made your choice, click OK to apply the change. You should see the update immediately, and you can come back here anytime to switch themes as your preferences or lighting conditions change. Now, if you are using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, the setting lives inside the in-app settings panel. Look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. This opens a quick panel where you can search or browse settings. Navigate to General, then choose Appearance. In the Dark Mode section, select Dark. This instantly updates the interface, including the navigation, message list, and toolbars, giving you a consistent dark experience that feels comfortable and modern. When you are happy with the look, click Save to confirm. If you ever want to switch back, return to the same place and pick a different option. Your changes take effect right away. That's it. Whether you are on Classic Outlook or the new Outlook and web version, you now know exactly how to change your theme and turn on dark mode. Thanks for watching.